you so much for doing this special tribute, of course, for Mama Guy and Mamita and Tita Ricky, and of course I had
Hindi nga napigilan ni Janine Gutierrez ang mapaluha sa ASAP Natin To para nga sa tribute na ibinigay ng ASAP para sa mga yumaong lola ni Janine Gutierrez na si Miss Pilita Corrales and Miss Nora Honor. Nagpasalamat nga ang aktres sa ASAP para nga sa tribute na ito.
Thank you so much for doing this special tribute, of course, for Mama Guy and Mamita and Tita Ricky, and of course I had G and everyone. And you know, you all were there also at the wake, so thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Maraming salamat talaga to the ASAP family.
That's right. I think at the meeting we talked from the whole, everyone here in the studio, yung buong ASAP family, on behalf of everyone watching as well, we say we love you. We love you so much. And of course, sa mga pamilya natin as well, sa anumang laban, any challenge in life, sa anumang laban ng buhay, magkakasama naman tayong lahat. We're always there for you. We're always there for each other.
Now, Makajan Edward, today is a celebration. We will celebrate the greatness and honor the lives of these amazing people who captured the hearts of people from all over the world.
This is why we are bringing that same inspiration as we perform for our kababayans, amazing kababayans in Europe. Malapit na ang ASAP in England. Malapit na.